Alright, so I didn't know if I wanted to do this or not. Figured I'd make this quick. So this is what the package is going to look like. I'm just going to do a real quick unboxing here. Not going to, dwell on stuff too long in that. There's plenty of other ones out here. Alright, so we'll get that off. Alright. You're going to get the case there. It's a nice fabric case. It's like a soft shell case, but it is a little bit hard. Here is going to be, looks like the charging brick. DJI charging brick, as you can see there. Let's see what else we got. This is a lot heavier. So yeah, this looks like this is going to be all three of our batteries. And this is the Fly More combo. So we've got all three in here versus having the one in the $400 kit. So that is going to be what the battery looks like. So we'll open this up, and boom, you got the cages right there. There's one side, and there's the other side. So, and so there you go. There's one of the guards just to see close up. Now all the rest of the good stuff is going to be in here. So everything's going to be right here. The drone, controller, looks like the battery pack right here. So here's the actual Mavic Mini itself. So the propellers are all tied down together here, so you got some tape there to keep those from moving around. You can see the gimbal cover and the actual camera there. All the arms, it kind of gives directions here on how to unfold the arms and everything. Then you've got the actual battery pack. This thing's actually very, very light. Compared to those batteries, this thing weighs basically about nothing. Here's the controller. That's definitely a little bit more robust. This has a good solid feel to it. Definitely weighs a bit more. Let's see, we got a little packet here. So these are all extra spare propellers. So all these basically have some screws and then the propellers up on the top there. Almost missed this little pack. Your joysticks for the remote. Small little things, but definitely important. And then one last box here. Let's see what we've got. So these appear to be the cables that are going to connect the phone and the controller. The end for the controller. Then you've got your Type-C, your Lightning, and your micro USB. This is a little screwdriver, it looks like, to do the propellers. This one is micro USB to USB, and so is this one, another one of those micro USB to USB. And then the last thing that was in the box is very, very small manual and quick start guide. They've got some of your paperwork there, some do's and don'ts for operation, that kind of stuff. Don't be that guy. Alright guys, so there you have it, everything that comes in the Fly More combo for the DJI Mavic Mini. This is a very solid case. I like the feel of it. It looks really cool, as you can see. That's basically all that needs to be said. There's going to be plenty of other videos for other stuff on there. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Take care.